Power BI. Visualize your data. Ever wondered how you can turn your data into actionable insights effortlessly? Introducing Power BI, Microsoft's powerful data visualization tool designed to help you make informed decisions. With Power BI, you get seamless integration with hundreds of data sources, including Excel, SQL Server, and cloud-based services like Azure and Google Analytics. Interactive and customizable dashboards that allow you to visualize your data in real time. AI-driven insights at ND Analytics that help you uncover hidden trends and predict future outcomes. Real-time data monitoring and collaboration features that enable you to share insights with your team and work together seamlessly. Imagine having all your data at your fingertips, visualized in a way that makes sense. Power BI helps you uncover hidden trends, make data-driven decisions, and share insights with your team. Whether you're a business analyst, data scientist, or just someone who wants to make sense of their data, Power BI has the tools you need to succeed. Getting started with Power BI is easy. Simply download Power BI Desktop for free from the Microsoft website, connect to your data sources, and start creating interactive reports and dashboards. Once you're ready, you can publish your reports to the Power BI service and share them with your team. Ready to transform the way you work with data? Try Power BI today and unlock the full potential of your data. Thank you for choosing Power BI. Your data, your insights, your success. To contact us, please call +1 512 593 8587, email us at info@srggt.com, or visit our website at https://srggt.com. SRG Global Technologies. We will help you succeed.